Hi, welcome to the new video. Today I'm doing one of the other biomechanical backgrounds, this time with face, starting with the full white. If you hear some noises in the background, we have a storm with thunder right now here. So this is the white. White and black, as always, are opaque colors, and the rest are transparent candies. So I'm using now a purple to paint this first step, and I also am using a light blue to get like a darker purple. This is the blue now. And now I'm changing back to white. I'm doing some amazing details now into this first purple pattern. So I paint everything in full white. So now I'm changing to magenta. And I turn everything that's white into like the pink tone. So now I'm starting with the face, so I need full white there. So I use this, the positive stencil of the face, and cover the edges and turn everything in white. And now I'm switching to black, so I can do the details in the face. Do the upper lip. In this stencil I could also do eye color if I would. And now I'm doing the grey details of the face. So this is a dark grey. Now I'm changing to purple. And there are two other steps which I'm using the purple and another layer of purple with a combination of magenta and there you have the face. If you see on the right side there's a bike tank. I used a light brown on the whole face and I did the highlights later. So with this you also can create a skin tone later. So now comes the highlights. So I'm starting with the stencil with less opacity, so I'm using white just a little bit. And then there are the full highlights, as always in the cover stencil, so you have always a perfect fit when you lay down the stencil and you have the first black that you put down as reference. So there you have it. Now I'm using some black for more shadows in the face to make it a little bit darker. Also before I do the highlights of the eyes. So now I'm using the biomechanic background to fill up the picture. That is the same I used on the it's like one of the latest videos with the green background. I used this one. So I'm laying down some pattern for the background. Just putting down a little white. And now I'm using the purple again to paint everything with the color so that the highlight, which I'm applying later, will stand out a little bit more. And here comes the highlight. So I got really nice details in like 1 or 2 minutes. You get tons of details to this picture, and it's amazing to use this as addition of a stencil, like the face thing. if someone looks at this picture, he maybe thinks that it takes hours or days to do such a detailed background, but eventually it takes just seconds. So there you have it. Now I'm using the magenta. And now it looks like a whole picture. The only color difference between the outside Biomechanic and the inside is the light blue that I used at the edges. So it stands out better. And now I'm using the white and I'm doing just a few highlights with the second white stencil from the face. So not everything, but just a few spots that now are in full white. So now I'm doing some pipes to make it even individually. So that it's more unique with the pipes. So I lay down the black. I'm using a white to do some gray, and then I'm doing highlight white. And I have like a nice pipe there. Again, it just takes seconds to make. And gray and full white. And also if you have like a really dark area, you just can skip the black and just use the white. And there you have it. If you enjoyed the video, you can subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up. There are over 800 videos like this on my channel. And see you soon. Bye.